technicality in technology. Now we are moving forward and we are at the stage of OSINT using Maltego. There are different kind of way you can actually OSINT, which I have actually been showing different kind of ways you can actually archive your OSINT, getting different kind of things depending on what the case is, depending on what the client actually requested you to actually footprint on, or depending on the investigation you want to make. Maltego is the best app you can actually use. And what all you need to do when you are installing it, if you are using a Word, if you are using a desktop, maybe you don't have a Kali Linux, you could just use this. Once you actually create an account, so as you say Maltego, just type Maltego sign up. Also click on it and you are through with the information, filling of the information. It will send you a request to actually activate your Maltego ID, and once you click on the ID, it will bring you here and tell you how successful you are in creating your account. The next thing you need to further do is to download your Maltego, and you're having it on there. But you're actually using the word Kali Linux. All you need to do is to go over here on your application layer. Once you've actually signed in your Kali, click on it, and once you click on that, then you just type in Maltego here, click on it. It will bring out this terminal. Can you see Maltego? So it will ask you, do you want to install it? Then you now say yes. It's asking, you say not found simply because this was not in it was not installed yet. But once it asks you, do you want to install it, you click yes. Once you click, it will open all this for you. Then you can now go back on here, go back to the application again, then you click on Maltego. Let's click on Maltego, then it's going to bring out the Maltego framework. Now if you're just joining this video, this is AI Tech, like I said earlier on, where we will deal with technicality in technology. We talk about IT programs, IT training. We teach people on hacking and everything that has to do with cybersecurity in an ethical way. This information is being released to actually train you, not for you to use it for a bad purposes. So if you are actually being called, you are holding yourself to a lot of problems with the high authorities, and you do not actually know me, because I'm teaching you for awareness and educational purposes. So everything I'll be showing here is just for your education. If you like this video, kindly endeavor to click on the like button, and actually kindly endeavor to subscribe to my YouTube channel to actually help yourself to see my next video when next I'm actually coming in. So in this one, back to where we are coming from and where we are going to end at the end of the day. So this is Maltego 4.4.1. Then I'm going to click on this click on the CE, because that's what I actually register for. Then I will want it. Because I want it, it's going to ask me to actually agree to the agreements. Once I do that, it takes me to the login page. Once I do that, it takes me to the step till I finish the filling. So kindly bear with me as you take through this process. So it's asking me to accept the license, which I have done. So it's going to take me to the next page, which I will need to actually log in. So it's asking me to wait. So I'm waiting so I can actually log into Maltego. Okay, so now I'm ready to log in. So I already registered my CE ID email. So I'm going to put in my email address. So I'm going to put in my password. Okay, I think it's waiting for the for me to put in. The cache is very, very important. So once you do that, it's going to take you to install transforms, improve Maltego, web browser option, privacy options, and ready. So once you pass through all the stages, it's going to bring out a new page where you can actually start using Maltego and its features. So kindly wait while we actually get the roots. I'm waiting. Okay, so it brings it out 3. Next, then is it G or N or C, then N? So let me try this if it works. So it's asking me to wait. So let's wait for the result. I mean, there's a lot to actually learn from Maltego, and I will refer you to the page here where you can actually learn Maltego. There's a lot of cases you can actually use in this page here to actually learn Maltego. So in this case, this is for email. Learn the basic while investigating an email. You can actually investigate names and phone number, find the data you need about an individual. Then premium SaaS, that's when you're actually paying to actually use all the features in Maltego. Now this is a lot of things you can actually use to learn Maltego and all the files that actually involves in Maltego. Run to phone number found on this page, and you see, so a lot of things you can actually penetrate using this. And I can actually use these tools as well to actually do a lot of penetration testing. So but in this case I'm actually doing it for training purpose, and I'll be using my own information. So sorry about that. So can you see, you said learn how to learn how to use Maltego. So once you actually click on this cyber crimes, so you can actually look for your emails, names, phone numbers. Then cyber security, learn how to investigate phishing campaign, network footprinting, and cryptocurrency and no state. A lot of things that you can actually learn from Maltego. But in this case, I'll just limit myself to the phone number. Let me see if I actually pass to the results. So let me see if it takes me to the next step. Let me come up. So hello Sadiq, welcome. Now it's actually welcoming me. That's my name and my everything. So I will actually will put in the nests. So if you're actually having issues while registering your name, or you're having difficulties, you could actually just message me up on my WhatsApp. Send me the error message, then I will actually guide you through how you can actually successfully register, or help you with any other errors that has to do with what tech. I'm actually prepared to actually help you, and I'll be happy and glad that I actually successfully solved your issues. So in this case, we are waiting for the solution to transform to a readable or a wide window. So we actually take this step by step, because there's a lot to actually learn from Maltego. Maltego is a very very complex tools. I mean, at the same time, very sweet tools to actually use for investigation. I mean, the government parasite actually use this to solve a lot of hard cases, to find people, because this tools here actually links to a lot of things that people do not know. It leads to your social media, so no matter where you are, they will find you, unless you are not on social media. But if you're on social media, you're having anything that you're actually going to start on social media, this tool will actually look for you. There's nowhere you're actually going, it's going to find you. That's when an hacker will actually have the confidence to tell you that I'll find you. And when they say it's going to find you, it means it's going to find you. So the following items were downloaded: application server, transform entities, transform site icons and machines. So we are getting our disclaimer. When error, automatically send error. When error reports are sent, no graph or user data will be included. The only information sent will be the operating system name. Article fashion and error save. Automatically send error reports, then what? Click on next. Web browser. I'm using Mozilla since I'm on Linux, so I'm going to click on Mozilla, then I'm going to click on next. So normal, so I'll set it to privacy mode. Let's use this if you are an investigator and it is possible. It is important that no internet traffic originates from your computer IP. Your Maltego desktop will not fetch any data directly from the internet, downloading of entities images. So maybe I'll actually go for these things, so that I don't want any information to be leaked out. Use this information for research Maltego For WordPress Maltego experience, your Maltego desktop is allowed to fetch some data directly from the internet. Example, including fetching of entity images from URLs and visuals for website overlays. Can I just use the standard first for beginner? For your experience, let's use this. There's no one I cannot actually use, but I'm just trying to be flexible here. Your new Maltego client has been initially successful, so my page has actually been successfully created. You can read the follow, use the guidance online. So open a blank graph and let me play around. Open an example graph. I have done this before, so I'm going to say finish. So once I say finish, now there's a lot of default tools that here that you can actually install. Sorry, I'm going to enlarge this page here. So I'm going to add all those plugins into the Maltego framework. So I'm going to add all those plugins into the Maltego framework.